Hi, I'm Casey with Fierce Planet Adventures. Welcome to the kitchen. We wanted to share an immune boosting recipe with you that we kind of developed on our own, but it has miso, bone broth, and is also keto friendly because we're using Shirataki konjac pasta. Loaded with fiber, so we're gonna get cooking. So if you haven't used these miracle noodles before, what you want to do is drain the package and just run some cold water over top for about 10 to 15 seconds. The directions actually say to saute these to dry them out, but because we're doing a soup, we don't need to take that step for this recipe.